Good afternoon, welcome to my YouTube channel et bonjour sur ma chaîne YouTube. Today I'm going to prepare for you and present to you how we do some cherry pancake. Sour cherry pancake is an old recipe which is very famous in Alsace where I come from. And basically we used to have nice red sour, nice cherry trees in our garden. And we used to do some cherry pancake as a kid, and I always keep this recipe in mind. So I'm going to present it to you today, and I have different ingredients to this recipe. So basically we have the flour. I have 300 grams of flour. I have about 300 grams of cherries. You can use more or less, depends on how rich do you want it. I have 4 eggs. I have half a liter milk. I use maybe 50 grams of clarified butter, some sugar for the end, I will show you. And I use a little bit some vanilla extract, which gives a little bit of flavor. And I use also 1 pinch of salt. I'm going to break my 4 eggs. I will put a pinch of salt, just a little pinch of salt. Okay, I will whisk. I will break my eggs. Okay, and I will add my milk. Yeah, and I will put it gently my flour at the time and go pour the flour slowly. This recipe is a very traditional Alsace recipe, and Alsace is the region in France where I come from, and it's remembered me a lot of memories because this is very delicious. I could eat that all the time. Getting thicker, I will add some more. Voila. It has to be quite thick because it's not like the French crepe, very thin. It's a little bit heavier, but it's very delicious. Voila. See, the dough is very getting thicker and thicker, so I will use the spatula. Voila. So I will add here some cherries. I will add my butter. So I like personally more cherries, so I will add more cherries to the recipe. It's really up to the individuals. If you like many cherries, of course you add more. And I will add basically a little bit of vanilla extract just to give a sprinkle. Voila, that's it. Voila, my dough is ready. I will proceed after that to the cooking part, which is the next step. Cooking with cherry pancake. Yes, I put a little bit oil, of course, to make sure this doesn't stick together. And since I have plenty content of butter, that gives me a nice caramelization after that. Try to flip it. Hopla. Okay, so we are going to obtain a nice caramelization. Of course, the cherries just inside with the sugar, they just caramelize nicely. We'll flip it again. See the nice cherries. You don't be scared to give them a little bit color. Like this. Okay, we'll sprinkle them with sugar, normal sugar, and you let it rest like that. Okay, sugar with the juice will just caramelize together and will taste even more better. Nicely. You could do that also with other cherries, but honestly, you need to use sour cherry, which gives all the taste. Okay, so this is our sour cherry pancake, traditional way, and we're going to present it maybe in a different way, a little bit an optional touch. So what I will do is I will put some 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream We can add a bit some cream here. Oh yes. Okay. We will add some mint decoration, and I will add a little bit some sour cherry juice just on top. Give a little bit color, and a little bit some sugar, sprinkling salt. Okay, and voila. So basically, this is my recipe of sour cherry pancake. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and next time we will get better. You know, this is our first video, and of course I have to improve on my speech quality. And basically, bon appétit and salut.